And okay, I decided to let you see. This is still not the finished product. We have flat ironed the product into his hair. And Armand, if you want, you can stand up for me. We're going to go to this shampoo bowl now. Walk on over there. And rinse. Wait a minute. We're going to rinse, but I just want you to see how much body he has. And turn around and see the front. Yeah, you see here. Oh, no light. Sorry. Okay, now you can see. You can see it has a lot of body and a lot of shine. Turn around to the back. Okay, so we're going to rinse. Ooh, he has a lot of hair. I'm tired. But we're going to rinse now and then put the mask on him, rinse it out, blow dry, and flat iron and be done. We might not flat iron because he can probably air dry straight, even air dry, almost like a flat iron. That's what the Brazilian treatment does. Okay.